The kerf saw blade is ultra thin, and it can be used in table and miter saws. The combo pack has 2 blades that are both 10 c's in diameter, 0.0097 kerf, 0.0071 plate and alternate top bevel, and a +5-degree hook angle. The 2 blades in the pack are DeWalt DW3106 60 teeth fine blade to provide fine cross-cutting in wood composites. The Irwin Willem 1870 miter circular saw blade is constructed using circular teeth to provide accurate and smooth cuts. The circular saw blade plate is fully hardened to suit its job and last longer. Besides, the miter saw blade is made using high carbon steel of high gauge to ensure the blade has an extended life. The blade is made using steel alloy, weighs 1.7 pounds. Hitachi I-725206 miter saw blade is good for cross-cutting, smooth and super fine finishes in hard and soft wood floors, laminates, veneer, and decorative moldings. The miter blade lasts longer than traditional blades and can be used for years because the teeth are tipped with tungsten carbide, making the alternate bevel blade stronger. Also, the tungsten carbide makes the long-lasting tip. The DeWalt DW3128 series 20 miter saw blade features an inch arbor. The blades are made using a thin kerf, making them suitable for use with table saws and miter saws. The blade is constructed using carbide material, hence the blade is strong and durable. The blade is used in cross-cutting composites, plywood, and natural wood. Additionally, DeWalt DW3128 miter blade